All right, so we are told that a diver is underwater, and we're asked what the absolute pressure the diver experiences is. Now, typically, we haven't talked about absolute pressure yet, so I wanted you to kind of be able to figure this out on your own. But absolute pressure is essentially just the hydrostatic pressure plus the atmospheric pressure. So usually when we talk about pressure, we kind of assume that atmospheric pressure is always there and it's always constant. So we do what we call like relative pressure, essentially the pressure aside from atmospheric pressure. But absolute pressure, of course, has to include atmospheric pressure, right? So the diver who is 15 meters underwater is going to experience pressure from the liquid, that's hydrostatic pressure, but they're also going to experience the pressure that they're always experiencing, which is atmospheric pressure. And so what we do is we're going to first figure out the hydrostatic pressure, which is rho GH, right? So 1,000 times G, which is, I'm going to say 10, times H, or their depth, which is 15. And so the pressure is going to be 150,000 pascals. And then, of course, we're going to add to that about 100,000, right? So it's going to become about 250,000 pascals. And so the correct answer here is going to be B, 249,000 pascals, right? And really the hard part for a problem like this was to understand what absolute pressure was. And so now that we understand absolute pressure, it's a fairly straightforward problem. So the correct answer here is going to be to add atmospheric pressure to hydrostatic pressure.